Playa del Carmen is beautiful, but it is really easy to get in trouble here.
What's up, Roscoe?
What's up, beautiful people? It's your boy Roscoe, and much love. Thank you guys so much for being here at What's Up Roscoe. We did a video in Playa del Carmen. It was lit. A lot of the footage didn't get caught because it was all on drone. I was using my drone walking around because it has the gimbal in front. But unfortunately, I lost my drone. And so, yeah, it's a smaller video. But the Cancun video is going to be 20 times better because I have a lot of footage. Because I lost my drone, I had to be more creative. So that's coming next week. But right now, this is Playa del Carmen. I love the place, and it was just beautiful. Why do people race to go to nowhere? People race to go to paradise. They race when they get their dream car. They always racing. It's like, regardless, you're just going to the same spot. So I don't understand it. So if you understand, please leave down in the comments how you understand it, because I don't understand it. Full of lines. How are this many people going to Cancun? I thought people had work. So just got off the airplane. First thing you see is this. Alcohol everywhere. Like, this is Cancun for you. And it is just alcohol galore. I mean, like, tons of alcohol. And then you got like fragrances and stuff like that as well. So yeah. Spidey just showed up in the building. Can you do a backflip?
Yeah.
Can you do a backflip?
No.
No backflips?
No backflip.
No backflip, Spidey? Come on, Spidey, give us a backflip. Give us a flip. Give us some type of flip, Spidey. Oh. If you come from a place where you have a toilet that runs well, do not expect that in Playa del Carmen at all. It's just not gonna happen. There was a lot of things in Playa del Carmen that I wish I had, like a toilet that flushed. Okay guys, room tour. Let's start at the closet. Why not? Why not start at the closet? Look at all this closet space I got. This is $25 a night. All this closet space comes with it. It's a studio. This area gets a little funky. Everything else stays nice and fresh. Granite. I don't know if that's granite. I made that up. I lied. I don't know anything. But it is beautiful. They also have an amazing art scene, which is pretty on point. Everyone is being really different and diversified, and it's not just in the food where you see the culture, it's the nightlife, the dancing, the art, the creativity, the things that people do repetitively, one after the other. It's like, yo, I just seen you yesterday, and I seen your friend. You guys are wearing the same costume because you love that character that much. That is what you get in Playa del Carmen. Just wanted to check out all these murals real quick. I think these are pretty cool. On phone now. Let's check a couple of them out. It's Wednesday, and yeah. Good morning. Just got back from a top secret mission. Don't tell nobody, but I got waters. I finally did it. I got the waters. In Mexico, you don't want to drink out of the faucet. The locals usually don't drink out the faucet. No, senor, no. And that was my experience to drinking the tap water. I tried. They said no. Hopefully my stomach will be okay. If not, people die all the time. Okay, beautiful people, so today we're gonna go not jet skiing, or air gliding or something gliding, and doing something on skis that go over the water. But you know, the things where, I don't know, butter cakes, something like that. Why am I going blank right now? Whatever they're called, I will come in and fix the footage later. In all honesty, there's gonna be people trying to sell you everything. I'm black, so obviously I'm probably not from around here, and so everyone's, I got weed, I got blow. What do you need, my friend? I got it. It's like, I don't need nothing. I need Jesus Christ. I ran into a group doing their dance practice. It was awesome. The people were super friendly. The lady was like, hey, come in, let me get a couple shots. I'll show you those right now. The Mexican culture seems to just embrace people with their love. Show me the Cuban cigars. Oh, it's a video. It's a video.
It was so much. I want to go to Brazil so fast when they have the Wait, ahí está tu novia? Sorry, my God.
No sugar? No sugar. No steroids? How am I supposed to get strong? So far from what I've been able to see is that the crime is like non-existent. When things get escalated, it de-escalates very, very fast. One, because the people are so happy-go-lucky, like, oh my bad, we got good weather. And then two, because they also have armed security out here with guns, and they're not playing at all. So they're making sure that it stays open for the tourists as well. So I appreciate that. But you know, you guys could put some of the AKs away, in my opinion. Okay guys, I stopped at this awesome place, vegan and gluten-free, almost everything. No sugar added in almost anything. It was amazing. Liquid Piranha. I have to keep looking down at it because I keep forgetting the name. But I put that in my GPS and I went there twice and I was only in Playa del Carmen for 5 days. Fellas, be on alert. Be respectful, be responsible. You know, put your tongue back in your mouth. Stop flashing your money. Americans, please stop flashing your money. My culture, my black brothers and sisters, we're in Playa del Carmen going nuts in the club. And this one black guy is literally just, like, he's showing hundreds in American dollars. Like, in American dollars. Hundreds, just flashing them. And the only thing on my mind is just like, man, what if the wrong person saw that and was just thinking to himself, like, that's a big come up for me and my family. You know, or the right girl, you know, hey, what's up, papito? If someone called you papi, that right there should be your signal to get out of there. It's, hey, how you doing? Hi, I'm great, hi, I'm great. Oh, you're such a handsome man. Oh, thank you very much. Muy, gracias. Thank you. Oh, how you doing, papi? That's when you get out of there. Don't play. When they start calling you papi, you put the jets on, run. I'm trying to tell you, man. No, don't play with it, all right? All right, guys, much love. Thank you guys so much for being here. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell like... What is in my throat? I almost died. Now that I'm back and not dead, like I was saying, make sure you guys like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Hit the bell notification. Share this with your mom, your brother, your sister, because my next video is gonna be even better. I promise you that. All right, stay with me on this journey. We're right now in Mexico, and next we're trying to go to Thailand. So let's talk and keep on praying to God that Thailand gets open all the way so we can go there and have a great time and experience their culture. All right, I'm gonna try to get super into the locals on my next spot, which my next video is gonna be Cancun. And then in a couple months, I'll be flying out to Mexico City or Los Cabos. And whichever one we go to, I'm trying to get deep in the culture in a safe way, meet people in person. Even if you think you know how to read people, read them twice. And again, enjoy yourselves and just go and travel and experience life. All for yourself, not for cool nanny. Don't do it, guys, I'm telling you. And ladies, roll in packs. You know what I'm saying? Much love. God bless. Stay cool. just got picked up by Rocket Transfer here in Playa del Carmen and getting a trip now to Cancun, where I will be spending 5 to 7 days there, getting some good footage as well. So stay tuned for that.